This repair solved the issue on this particular robot. Main brush noise can also be caused by worn bearings, damaged gears, a faulty motor, or debris around the brush assembly. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to fix a common issue on the Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni. If your robot is making a loud grinding or clicking noise from the main brush area while cleaning, this simple repair might solve the problem. Before you start, remember that this issue can have several different causes. In this particular case, the noise was coming from the main brush motor gear assembly. First, power off the robot and remove the dustbin and main brush. Next, carefully disassemble the robot by removing the bottom cover. Keep all screws organized because they are different lengths. After opening the robot, disconnect the battery for safety. Then carefully remove the motherboard to access the main brush module underneath. Take your time and disconnect all ribbon cables and connectors gently to avoid damage. Now remove the complete main brush module from the robot. After that, remove the main brush motor assembly. Open the motor gear housing carefully. Inside, you'll probably find a large amount of dust, hair, and dirt packed around the gears. Over time, this dirt creates extra friction, causing the gears to make a loud grinding or buzzing noise. Clean all the gears thoroughly using a soft brush and compressed air if available. Make sure no debris remains inside the gear housing. Also, inspect the gears for worn or broken teeth before reassembling. Once everything is clean, reassemble the motor assembly. Reinstall the main brush module. Reconnect the motherboard. Reconnect the battery, and close the robot. Now, test the robot. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who own an Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next repair video.